guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't really talk very fluently, so I might put some subtitles down here. This is today's look that I created. It's kind of like a demon kind of thing. I want it to be more simple. Didn't work out like that. I mean, it is a very simple chest compared to what I've been doing lately, but the whole aesthetic is just not simple. This is a pretty dope Halloween costume, if you ask me. If you wanted to go out as a demon, if you have the time, honestly. This took a hot minute to do, but it is really cool and it should stay on the whole night. And you are still able to kind of talk. I voiced over the rest of the video after I finished the teeth just to make sure you guys could hear me, but I can talk pretty fluently. Like, it's not hard to understand what I'm saying right now, right? I hope not. This is today's look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please make sure to like and subscribe at the end. And if you would like to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I don't really know what I want to do. I have some ideas. I know I want to do a mouth with teeth. I haven't done that in so long. I want to show you guys more gore, especially because Halloween's coming up and it's gonna be scary as all the time. Okay, so listen, I have a lot of trouble keeping things simple. You know what I mean? I don't care. Do I have this kid's post notifications on? They just gave me a notification about someone posting and I don't have their post notifications on. That is just rude. If you ask me. We're gonna start off with the painting because I don't have the clay that I need to create the teeth. And I'm gonna save the mouth prosthetic for last because having it on for the whole time is just going to bother me a lot. I'm gonna do the chest first. I just want to challenge myself to keep things simple. I feel like I always need such a detailed chest. Simple, but like making a statement. Right? So I want the chest to be a deep red. Demon. I'm trying to get pumped for Fright Fest. I'm trying to get my mood into Fright Fest because I've been body painting so much. I need to get that SFX in there. So I want it to be a deep blood red. That's what we're doing. To cover my whole chest with this, I'm going to take this sponge. What is wrong with me? And I'm going to take this red called Red by Mayron. Basically, I just take this sponge and then I dot it in there and then just put it on your body. Look at that. This is mood. Mood. Is anyone else shook to their core about the beauty community drama? I am. Rude.
Queen of Red, right?
Right, Tyler?
What?
Queen of Red.
Princess.
I'm so happy I don't have to go to high school because everyone's going back. And I mean, I'm going to college, but I'm not going back to high school. My high school life was weird. I didn't have a bad high school life at all. I had a lot of friends. I went out a lot, but I feel like I was different than everyone else. Honestly, I feel like I was very different, which I was. I sat in my basement and painted myself all of high school. No one did that. I feel like I just didn't have a specific group of friends. I just hung out with everyone, you know what I mean? Right, Tyler?
What?
I'm already a demon.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna finish painting my arms and my chest right here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I am red pretty much everywhere except for my forearms, I am going to do my contouring. I'm going to do this with basically only a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to try and find a very, very dark red. I'm going to use a brush like this, and I'm going to be making some kind of like ribs. My collarbones are right here, and they end about right here. So the ribs would basically start right here. I'm going to make a mark with the black eyeshadow so I can really see it. Right here, they would start right here. I'm going to highlight my collarbone with this light pink shade. It's a cream paint. I'm still just shading this. I'm just shading and highlighting around them to make them look more realistic. I haven't played Roblox in forevsies. I played a different game. I played a lot of games when I was little with all my little friends. Oh no. Roblox wasn't my thing. You know what was my thing? Toontown. Dig Toontown. Toontown was my shit. I would rock out to Toontown. Whenever Toontown it was. I was like, give me Toontown now. And then Club Penguin. Don't even get me started, bitch. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Club Penguin. I Everyone loves a good scandal. Do you know what I mean? I bet because of this whole scandal with like the four trio.
I know you all just saw that, and I'm just dumbfounded. I clearly stated 4 people before I started that sentence, and then I called them a trio. And it wasn't a joke. Someone did me dirty. And if the public school system really wants some smoke, they can pull them, they can get it, because I feel wronged.
Those guys, I bet that will get them more followers too. Not now, because she's losing subscribers, Laura, right now. She's gonna get some. People love drama. I feel like that's pretty good. I'm like, I don't know why I was thinking about this. I'm like imagining Laura Lee's PR team. Remember that episode from SpongeBob where they were like, there was like little workers that were in his head, just like everything was on fire. I put a clip of it in and they were all freaking out. That's what I imagine Laura Lee's PR team right now is like. Okay, now I'm gonna take some white cream paint and not the pink one and really highlight places that I think would be the most light, if you know what I mean. Now to deepen the black, I'm going to take a black cream paint and I'm just going to put this on the edges of the ribs. I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to shade this more up in here because this is going to be very dark. Okay, so I feel like this is good, but it's like a little empty over here, so great. I just put my hand right in the cream paint on my hand. Love that for me. I'm gonna bring the black all the way to my shoulder. I'm gonna color it in all black over here. I'm actually just gonna do this side, and then I'll do this one off camera. And I'm gonna do that same darkness on this side. Now I'm kind of trying to make my collarbones a little bit longer to match up with the length of the shadow here. I'm just going in with the light pink again to lengthen it, and then I am going in with the white to obviously brighten it up a little bit more. I'm going to take my little smudger brush and I'm going to dip into some black eyeshadow and definitely shade underneath the highlight. I'm gonna highlight right in the middle with the white cream paint. Now I need to put a highlight right here, not right next to the line, kind of in the center. Okay, I have an idea to hide what I just did. What do we think about this? No? And then like... Is that fun? Do we love that? And then I enter with a little bit of gold. So we're gonna move up into my face. Basically do the same exact thing with the sponge. Okay, so I actually am going to make the teeth first. I'm starting to get a headache. This sucks. I need water. That's what I need. Water! Operation Hydration. I'm actually gonna take this black headband. How fitting. Just because it's black and I'm doing a demon, but my standards are low. Tyler, I'm using Crayola Model Magic. I want to make long teeth. Take little pieces because they're gonna be skinny. I want them to be like, that's big. That's real big. I'm just gonna make one and then I'm gonna make the rest of them because they're literally all gonna be the same. Like that. Some can be a little skinnier than others. Some can be a little fatter than others. It's literally so easy. Just make them long and have a point at the end. So now I'm gonna make like a lot more and I'll be right back. So I'm going to grab the black paint. I'm gonna take one last sip of water. And then I'm gonna paint over my lips black. Well, literally my whole upper lip. I realized though that after I finish this, I might not be able to talk. After I finish this part, I might have to voice over the rest of the video, which I don't like doing. So we're gonna take cotton and we need some latex. I should still be able to breathe out of my nose and my mouth. I'm gonna breathe out of my mouth right now because the ammonia is gonna go right into my nose if I breathe into my nose. Now I'm going to do the bottom row and basically it's going to start on my jawline. Okay, basically I have my fat mouth. We're going to take the black paint because I didn't realize how far back I was going to go. I need to do it a little bit over there now. While I let that dry, I'm gonna put my teeth in, why not? And then I will see if I can talk. So I can breathe out of my nose and my mouth. Okay, these are gonna have to be cut. So if they are too long, take some scissors, and then you can kind of cut it sideways, and that'll keep it still sharp.
And now we're voiceovering. So I finished putting all the teeth in, and now I'm just putting some little mini ones in between all the nooks and crannies to make it look more natural.
Oh no, my fingers are red now.
After that, I'm going to take the water-activated paint that is yellow by Mayron, and I'm just going to give the teeth a nice yellow, gross, nasty base. Teeth are yellow, great. Next, I'll take this brown eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty palette and just coat the base of the teeth with this shadow just to make them look a little bit more like grimy. After that, I took this white paint and I made some lines going down into the teeth just to give it some detail. I did the same thing with the black paint, just kept it more closer to the base of the tooth. After that, I took my red paint and I coated my entire face with it, just like I did my body, trying to keep it pretty even and smooth. Next, I took the cream paint that I highlighted everything with and I went over the top of the lips to kind of give it a little contrast from the skin. Now I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So now we're going to start contouring with a black eyeshadow. It's pretty much easier for you to watch what I'm doing instead of me explaining it. I'm just doing this in a certain way of contouring, but then I'm going in between those lines and darkening up my forehead. Dance, and then we are highlighting in between those little forehead lines with some white cream paint and also pink, and then going down the nose to try and make it look more slender and cute, because we're not a super scary demon, but we're still demon, you know? Then I lined my eyes with some eyeliner and winged it out on the inner and also the outer corner. Then I took some white cream paint and highlighted underneath my eyes because, again, I was looking a little too scary, and I blended it out with a large fluffy blending brush, and it actually worked so well. And for my shadow, I took Corrupt by Makeup Geek and I started blending that into my crease, kind of meshing together the liner with the shadow, and then I cut a half-cut crease with a pink cream paint and set it with a pink shadow. I also smoked out my bottom lash line with the same black shadow. To finish the eyes, I popped on a pair of lashes and tight-lined my waterline with a black liner. And to finish off this whole look, I am taking some thick blood and also some stage blood and just smearing that all around the mouth, just like a demon ate something, maybe? Bit something? I don't know. We did something and it caused blood, and we're here for it. And this is the finished look. Oh no, I got blood on my hands.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this look, please like and subscribe. If you have any, sorry, that sucked. I couldn't talk very well. If you have any suggestions of what I should do next, leave it in the comment section below. Any funny videos, any tutorials, or any challenge videos, anything like that, let me know down in the comment section below. Or if you just want to chit chat with me, just go down there. I answer back to everyone's comments. I really appreciate you all being here and staying till the end of the outro. You guys are awesome. I love you guys so much, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!